something. What you don't know, what would you say? Baby, we got a long, long way to go. You might as well enjoy the view. I'm your driver, you're my scroll. Break it down. Well, Minneapolis. Right here, y'all. Somebody come dance with me. Just kidding. Hey. I like that. Repeat after me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Said I'm your driver, and you're my scrub. Donna, come on. Chakalaka. Boom. Chakalaka. Break it down one more time. Right here. You like her? Is she a keeper? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Huh. I'm your driver, and you're my screw. Oh, I'm your driver, and you're my screw. See, you're my screw. You're my screw. Break it down. This song is not what you think it's about. This song is about the counterclockwise. Everybody thought the world was gonna end. Maybe it just started spinning in an opposite direction. Perhaps. Huh. Which way do race car drivers go? When you try to turn in a screw tight, which way does it go? It's kind of hard for left-handers though, ain't it? If you try to get it loose, if you try to get it loose, hey, look out. Another question. Why is microwave food always hot just in the middle? Maybe you should ask your microwave. Which way did the planets revolve? Clockwise? You're not as smart as you look. Let's see. Upstroke. I take that back. Chance